Here we are at Dick's studio. Dick and his guys are preparing a table for me to take back to Calgary. And it's a big table. My God, it's a huge table actually. And they're putting bow ties in the table, and they'll fill the cracks. And these men are creating the holes in the wood with the bow ties that hold the table together. This table is from a big old Suar wood tree, and it's pretty good craftsmanship. So Dick, with this big crack, will we fill it? This one, will we fill it or leave it open?
We'll leave it open.
Yeah. Wow.
Better to leave it open. Let's give the wood little breathing.
Yeah.
Now this is the bottom part. Whether we flip it over, it's much better on the top.
Oh, this is the bottom?
This is the bottom.
Okay.
So there's a big hole, you know, when it's here.
Yeah. So this table's, what, 3 meters?
This is 360.
It's almost 4 meters.
More than 3 meters, 3.5.
Wow.
3.5 by 140.
It's a huge table. Oh my gosh. Well, there you have it, coming to Calgary.